2.1 day 2. Relations and functions again. Now we're talking about linear functions. We did this all in 9th grade. That's my y equals mx plus b function. That lovely thing. I'm going to write in a different color. What do we know about m? M is my slope. My y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, is my b value. If I have a positive slope, it goes up a hill. You're like walking up that hill. If I have a negative slope, it's like a sledding hill. You're going down as you go left to right. If I have a zero slope, a slope of 0, then I have a flat ground. Okay, let's do some graphing. You remember how to graph these? You start at my y-intercept plus 7. So let's go by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 7. And then I'm going to go down 2 over 3. 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. And I make a line and I connect it. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Second one, y equals 3. So what's happening here? Y equals, where's my x? When there's no x, that's a 0 slope. So I'm just going up at 1, 2, 3 on the y and going straight across. Straight across. This is when I have 0 slope and y is my only variable. 0 slope, y is my only variable. Oh my gosh, x equals, what the heck does that mean? Well, it's the opposite of this. Instead of being straight across, it goes up and down, which we also know is not a function. It's not a function, but we can still draw it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, straight up and down. So when you have x as your only variable, then I have an undefined slope. An undefined slope, and it's straight up and down. Linear function notation. So normally we use y equals, let's say 4x plus 1. To get a little fancier, we're going to call it f of x. That means function. It's the same thing as y. So y and f of x are the same thing. Same thing. They just get a little fancier. F of x, this is how we read it, this f parentheses x, it's called function of x. We call it f of x. Just means they're related to each other. Tell whether the function is linear, then evaluate f of negative 3. So, is this a linear function? No, it's got that x squared in there. That means no. But we can still find f of negative 3. F negative 3, that's basically when we're plugging in negative 3 into x. So negative 3 squared minus 2 negative 3 plus 7. And from here I would take that and plug that straight into my calculator as is with the parentheses and all that good stuff. I got f of negative 3 equals 4. Second one, is that a linear function? Yes, it's right in my y equals mx plus b form. So, let's find g of negative 3. 5 times negative 3 plus 8. Negative 15 plus 8, and I get, oh my gosh, negative 7. You're just plugging that in. Okay, what did we learn? What did we do today? What we can do now? We can do linear equations. Yay! Linear equations. There you go.